Welcome to Solution Zone. Here you get videos on how to, tricks and tips, facts, answers, and many more. Hit the subscription button so as not to miss out any content from us.
The larger Apple Watch Series 8 model expected to launch later this year is rumored to have a titanium case, raising questions about the future of the Apple Watch edition. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman announced that the new larger Apple Watch model, slated for release this year, will feature a case made from a more durable titanium formulation to make it harder. Apple has offered a titanium version of the Apple Watch since the launch of the Apple Watch Series 5 in 2019, under the Apple Watch Edition brand. Currently, the Apple Watch Edition comes with an additional sports band, and while it offers a lighter and sturdier case than the stainless steel model, it's otherwise similar to the standard Apple Watch. Currently, a series of rumors point to a brand new, high-end Apple Watch model that will be released later this year. The device is expected to feature a larger display, longer battery life, sturdy body, and a brand new design. Potential names for the device include Apple Watch Pro or Apple Watch Explorer Edition, and the device has been linked to extreme sports, athletes, hikers, and users. Starting at $749, the current Apple Watch Edition is $150 more than the stainless steel Apple Watch. For this year's new high-end Apple Watch, Gurman offered a starting near $900 to $999 price tag, positioning it above the Apple Watch Edition. Overall, it seems clear that the new high-end Apple Watch will be much different from the standard Apple Watch models than any previous Apple Watch Edition models in terms of features, size, design, and price. This raises the question of whether Apple will continue to offer the Apple Watch Edition after the new high-end Apple Watch launches later this year or not. Thank you for watching. Leave us your thought about this in the comments section. And for more updates in the technology world and Apple in particular, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. We hope to see you in our next video.